This tutorial, we're going to be looking at a very important feature for customer service, which is the live chat. So to access this live chat, you click on the home menu, then scroll to live chat. So this is how the live chat website looks like. So if you see here, live chat channel, you can create a new live chat. So now this is on rhrealestate.org, and there have been 2 seasons here, so let's click on it to see. So these are the 2 seasons. These are the time, season date, participants, duration, messages, for records, and also this is details of the live chat. Go back. So these are the channels. Let's click on these are the channels. Then visitors as well. These are several visitors that have visited the live chat channel. So the main aim and purpose of this live chat is to help communicate with and support individuals, maybe that are finding something hard, or they're finding a way to navigate something, and maybe they need instant reply, something like a chatbot. But this is not a bot handling it. It will be the assigned employees replying to this chat. So the chat, the live chat is very vital for customer preservers, for getting customers feedback and assisting customers in where they need several assistance. So this is basically the whole structure of live chat. You can click on new to create a new chat, or join a channel. So we're not going to be doing that right now. So I just want to explain to you how the live chat looks like and how it works, and the several features in the live chat app. So this is basically it for the live chat application. So play around with it as well, go through it so that you understand it more and more better. So thank you. This is the tutorial for the live chat app.